Is Cash Giraffe really an easy and fast way to earn money just by playing games on your phone, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I decided to test this app to see if it's really worth it. And let me just reveal right away that I actually managed to get paid in PayPal Cash after having played for just 2 minutes, and I will show you payment proof of this in this Cash Giraffe review also. But more importantly, I will talk about how long you in general should expect to play to get paid, so you can find out if it's really worth it. So before I log in and show you payment proof and show you how to earn on Cash Giraffe, let's go over who can join, because this is an app you can download currently only for Android devices. That is how it in general often is with apps from the company that's behind Cash Giraffe, because it is a company that I have seen a lot of other apps from also, and also made other videos about. We'll talk a little bit more about that later when we talk about the payment proof, because then we can see which company it is. But anyways, you can download it if you have an Android phone, and you can download it from more or less all countries. They do not have a list of the exact countries. There might be a few countries where you can't find it. If you can't find it in the Google Play Store, well, then it's because it's not available in your country, but it is available in a lot of different countries. But let me now just log in, and then I can show you exactly how to earn, how much I've earned. I'll show you payment proof, and then we can talk about the long-term earning potential of it. So I'm now logged into Cash Giraffe, and as you can see, I'm on the tab that's called Featured, and this is where you can see the games you can download to play. When you first come, that was what I've experienced here, and there were also many other similar apps that there was only one app I could download. You just need to click the Start Playing, and then you will be taken to the App Store where you can download it. And then once you've downloaded that, usually more games or apps will become available, as you can see. And then all you then need to do is you make sure you go in here to the My Apps, and there you can see the apps you have installed. You can click it, and then you will open it and you will play it, and it will track how long you played, and you will get paid per minute. You can see in the featured list there, it says currently you will earn this many gems or points, whatever you call it, per minute. And the first I downloaded paid quite a lot more. It paid like 200 or something like that, but then the rest of them they give a lot less. The exact rate you will get will vary from game to game and also from country to country, so it might look different for you, or maybe different rates. But the thing you need to remember with all Playtime apps like this in general is that at first you will get, for example, this 19 per minute, but then next time maybe it will happen to be 2 minutes before you get something, and then 3, 5, things like that. So that means that the longer you play a certain game, the longer it takes for you to get points, so the rate per minute keeps going down. So that's why if you want to use them, you need to once in a while download new apps and play new games. But let's talk about how long I played to get paid, because I said that I only played 2 minutes to actually get paid. So if I go to this My Apps, you can see that the total game time I played 2.5 minutes, because I didn't notice right away that I actually reached the payout threshold, and I earned this much. And the reason I already then reached the payout threshold was that I got a joining bonus of around 4,500 points when I first started. And the payout threshold in my country, we'll go over that a little bit later here in just a few seconds, was only around 5,000. So I reached the payout threshold in just 2 minutes. So let's talk about the payout options in general before I then show you the payment proof. So I now jump to the payout options, and the exact payout options will vary from country to country. These are the ones I have in my country. You can see, as I said, just around 5,000 points I need to take out earnings in my country. In some countries it might be lower, it might be higher. There might be other gift cards that will vary from country to country. Just want to make that clear. This is the equivalent of around 50 cents. So this is what I chose to get paid after just playing 2 minutes. So let me just close down the app, then I'll show you the payment proof, and then we can talk about the long-term earning potential of this also. I now jump to my inbox, and as you can see, I have a payout from Cash Giraffe, and this comes from Just Dice. That is the company I mentioned earlier. You maybe have seen other of my videos where I get paid from Just Dice, because they have a lot of different apps that offers more or less the same, just with a little bit of a different angle. And you can see I got these 43 euro cents, or around 50 cents US dollars, and I played for only 2 minutes to get to this. After I requested a payout, it took me, I think it was around a day or so before I got the money, but sometimes it can take longer. But this is just to show you it actually does pay. But how long does it then take? Yes, I got paid after 2 minutes, but that was because I got a joining bonus. So how long will it then now take? And for you in general, if you want to earn a few dollars, $5, $10 maybe. Let's talk about that next. So I would say that it's super fast the first time you want to get paid if you live in a country where you also get a good joining bonus. But then after that, you see the other games, the first one I got paid really well per minute. That's why I could reach it so fast. But then the others, they pay a lot less and the earnings just keep going down. And now I have to earn 5,000 points to get paid 50 cents, and this will probably take me several hours. If I look at how long it would take, I would say minimum 5 hours. I probably would have to play to earn 50 cents. This is usually what you should expect from something like Cash Giraffe, the games from this Just Dice company. I've tested many of them, and most of them is somewhere between 5 to 10 hours to earn maybe 50 cents or something like that. And in some countries it might be even longer. You have to pay to earn that. So definitely not a fast way to earn. It is a way to earn, but you really do need to do it with the right expectations. So to sum it all up, Cash Giraffe, yes, it does pay. You saw Payment Proof yourself. And at first, it seems very appealing because you get a joining bonus, you can reach it fast, but it will take patience. It's not an effective way to earn. In general, playing games like this will not earn you a lot, but there are ways to earn like that pays better and more effectively. I will leave a link below to a list I have of my top recommended ways to earn by playing, but you just shouldn't expect to earn, a full-time salary or anything like that from it. And personally, I will not be using Cash Giraffe anymore because I just really want to focus on ways to earn that are more effective, and Cash Giraffe really isn't. It can be a fun way to earn, but it's definitely not effective. So it all depends on your preferences and your goals. But I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.